Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer all data from old Redmi phone to new Samsung Galaxy. If you are using any Redmi phone and you want to transfer your data to your Samsung phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open an app in your both phones. Just open Easy Share in the both phones, and here just select File Transfer in the both phones, and here select Send in your Redmi phone and select Receive in your Samsung phone. Just like that, and here just wait for the second phone's name. Just tap on the name to connect with and wait for these devices until being connect. Just tap on connect to connect this. So here you can see the devices has been connected. Now you just have to select your data which you want to transfer, and I'm going to transfer some apps. So just select the apps. Here I'm going to transfer this app and then tap on send. So in this way, you can easily transfer all of your data from old Redmi phone to new Samsung Galaxy. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.